Welcome to 420RX Cannabis Cooking and Confectionaries. Here's Jamie.
Hi guys, Jamie here, Cruise Cannabis Cooking. From time to time we receive packages from wholesalers and distributors. We've received enough, we're going to start doing unboxing videos and getting those posted up. Our first one is going to be Green Genie Compassionate Care. There'll be a link above as well as a link below down in the description. Make sure you check them out, see what they have available for us. Let's take a look, shall we? We have a lollipop, a brownie bite, a vape cartridge, capsules, and tincture. Here we have our 30 milligram active cannabinoid lollipop. These sell for $7 at Green Genie Compassionate Care's site. Again, 30 milligrams of active cannabinoids. Next we have our brownie bite. These also sell for $7 and they have 75 milligrams of active cannabinoids. Our capsules are 33 milligrams. They are sold in bottles of a quantity of 30 at 1,000 milligrams per bottle for $95. Here we have our vape cartridge. These are going to have variations in the active cannabinoids. They do fit any standard 510 thread battery. It appears to be 0.5 milliliters or a half gram. Again, the active cannabinoid content could vary. Lastly, we have our tincture. The tincture contains all USDA organic ingredients. There's hemp oil, MCT oil, beetroot, aloe vera, echinacea, and a CBD crystalline from hydroponically grown indoor whole plant. They are available in 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000 milligram strengths. 1 ounce for $95, 2 ounces for $175. Let's take a look at these drops. Oh wow, that's a beautiful color. Again, these are available in 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000 milligram strengths. 1 ounce, $95, 2 ounces for $175. So our tincture, our vape cartridge, our brownie bite, capsules, and a lollipop. I hope this was as informative for you as it was for me. Thanks for watching.